Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to light a Bunsen burner. So this is the Bunsen burner apparatus, and right now you can see that it's connected via a hose up to the gas line. And so there's two main ways that you can light a Bunsen burner. One way is you can use a striker, just like this one, or you can use a match. In this first video, I'm going to show you how to light it using a striker. This is what you would typically do in like a college or a professional chemistry lab. In the next video, I will show you how to light it using a match, which is what you guys are going to do in your chemistry classroom. So, the very first step is make sure that you are being safe. So that includes make sure that you're wearing safety goggles, as well as if you have longer hair, make sure you have your hair tied back so that way you don't accidentally catch your hair on fire. So once you've got all the safety things set up, then the next step is to connect this black hose to the gas line. So make sure it's snug. If you're using a striker, what you're going to do is you're going to turn on the gas just a little bit, and then you're going to press the striker above the Bunsen burner, and you'll strike it, and the flame will lit. Once you have a small flame, you can turn up the gas a little bit more to where you want it to be. I would not recommend turning the gas up all the way up initially, otherwise you're going to create this big fireball. So that is how you light it with a striker. Okay, so now in this video, I'm going to show you the steps for lighting the Bunsen burner using a match, which again, this is what you guys are going to do in the chemistry classroom. So don't forget, always safety first, make sure you have your goggles on and your hair back. Next up is make sure to connect the black hose to the gas line. Okay, so the next step is you're going to want to light the match. Okay, just in case y'all haven't lit a match before, here you have the match box, here you have the match. On the side of the match, on the side of the match box, you're going to strike the match. Make sure to do it away from you, not towards you, and that should light the match. So what we're going to do is we're going to light the match, and then I'm going to hold it above the Bunsen burner. Once I do that, I'm then going to turn on the gas, which is then going to light the flame. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to strike the match. And there we go. Okay, and so now you can adjust the flame to where you want it to be. And that's how you light a Bunsen burner. So in this video, we're going to talk about the flame on a Bunsen burner and talk about like where it's hottest. And so right now, you can kind of see two colors. There's this darker blue here at the bottom, and up here we have the like yellowish orangish color. If you adjust this little ring here at the bottom, you can actually adjust the flame, and you can see that now that I've adjusted it, there's this like lighter blue color right here near the bottom. The hottest part of the flame is at the tip of this light blue flame here in the middle. So we're going to demonstrate that by using this little wire. So if I stick the wire near the bottom of the flame, you don't really see much happen. But watch as I raise the wire, you're going to see the wire turn that like orange color, showing that it's much hotter. So you can see like right here, the wire's starting to heat up. That's because I'm at the very tip of the light blue flame. So as I lower it again, we get cooler. So again, as I move it to the top, it gets hotter. Then as we go to the very top, like where that like yellowish color was, notice that the heat is lower up here.